In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom product pages on Shopify, a simple guide ideal for beginners. If you're looking to give your Shopify store a personalized touch and appeal, then you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and explore how you can transform your product pages into something truly unique. First, we're starting on the Shopify dashboard. Head over to the My Store section. From this dashboard, you can manage your entire store. As we focus on refining product pages today, the next step is crucial. Next, you'll want to navigate over to the Online Store option found on the navigation pane. This is where you can begin to interact with your store's look and feel. Once here, click on Customize, which allows you to edit the themes and layout of your pages. This is your creative playground where you can preview changes in real time. From the theme editor, click on the home page and then select Products. This brings us to the heart of our customization journey. Now it's time to create a fresh template. By clicking on Create Template, you'll be able to set up unique designs specific to different products. When prompted, come up with a new name for this template. It could be something relevant to the product's niche, just to keep things organized. After naming your template, confirm the creation by clicking Create Template again. This action sets the stage for detailing the product through visual modifications and layouts. Look for the Change button now. Clicking here will allow you to select the specific product you aim to customize. Select the desired product and you'll be taken to another level of personalizing options. It's time to add sections. Click Add Section and then choose Image with Text to incorporate rich visuals into your product page. When you see Select, click it to upload an image that highlights your product's features or aesthetic, effectively using visuals to appeal to customers. Don't forget to hit Done once the image is set in place. To align it perfectly, click Image first. You can adjust the desktop content position, opting for something like Middle to ensure it's pleasing to the eye. Play around with the position until it feels just right for you. Now let's edit the image text. Whether it's a catchy slogan or detailed descriptions, make sure your text narrates the product story effectively. Then, by clicking on Product Information, you can delve into the specifics, enriching the customer's understanding of what you offer. Adjust the padding from the bottom to harmonize all elements on your page. It's just one of many customization options available to ensure your page looks tailored and seamless. Finally, once all your customizations feel complete and satisfy your vision, navigate to Save. This will save all the changes you've made to your product page. Congratulations, you've just successfully customized a Shopify product page, paving the way towards a more charismatic storefront. Tune in for more tips and happy selling.